Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve day 20 problem on LeetCode. It is a medium level problem in which we have to solve for the sum of subarray minimums. So in this problem we have given an array of integers and we have to find the sum of minimum of b, where b ranges over every contiguous subarray of array. Since the answer may be large, return the answer modulo as 10 raised to power 9 plus 7. So this is the input given to us, okay, and output is 17. So first we are going to find the subarrays. So what are the subarrays here? So first this 3, then this 1, then this 2, then this 4, then 3 1 set, 1 2 set, 2 4 set, then 3 1 2 set, 1 2 4 set, and then finally 3 1 2 4. So in all these subsets, what is the minimum value? So for this subset, 3 is the minimum value, 1 is the minimum value, 2 is the minimum value, 4 is the minimum value, 1 is the minimum value here, 1 is the minimum value here, 2 is the minimum value here, 1 is the minimum value here, 1 is the minimum value here, and 1 is the minimum value here. So finally we are going to add all these minimum values and our output is 17 for this example 1. Okay, so to solve this problem, first see here our answer could be large, so for that we have to return the answer in a modulo 10 raised to power 9 plus 7. So just write here static int modulo, static int mod is equal to 1e9 plus 7. Okay, now let's create one variable n, and in this we are going to store the length of our array, and after that we are going to create 3 arrays. One is left. In this left we are going to store the index in which we are going to get the minimum value from the current value. So let's say we are here, okay. So in left we are going to store the value for the element which is going to be smaller than our current value at the very first position. So here 2 is smaller than 4. Yes, 2 is smaller than 4. In that case we are just going to store the index of this 2. We are not going to move forward to check for 1 and any other minimums. If we found them any minimum value, then we are just going to store the index of that one. So we are going to create 3 arrays. One is int left. It will be more clear when I am going to explain this with an example. So let's write first code. It is going to be very small code, just 20 to 25 lines. So I have passed the length as n. So we are going to create one left array, and then we are going to create one ext array. Okay, same, pass the length as n, and then after that create one sums array in which we are going to store the sum after each iteration. Okay, okay. So now first what we are going to do here, let's say this is the array given to us. Okay, so this is array given to us 3 1 2 4. Now we are going to create one new ext array, and in this array we are going to shift all the elements one index after then its current element. Let's say we are going to move each element one index forward. So here 3 1 2 4. Okay, so here I have moved this 3 to index 1, this 1 to index 2, this 2 to index 3, and this 4 to index 4. Okay, so here these are the indexes. Okay, 0 1 2 3 4. Okay, so here this is array given to us, and what is the total length of this array? N. Okay, so in n we are going to store values till let's increase the length. N is equal to array dot length plus 1. So what is the length of this array? It's 4. So I am storing the value of n is 5. Okay, n is equal to array dot length plus 1, 5. Okay, so here see this ext array has total length now 5, and I have moved every element one index forward. Okay, so now how to make this ext array from here? So just write one loop for int I is equal to 1, I is less than n, I plus plus, and in this loop I plus 1 in ext I plus 1. Int ext I plus 1, I am going to store the value of array of I. Okay, so in this way we have created our ext array. Okay, initially it is 0, then I give the value of ext I plus 1 as array of I. Okay, so I have moved the indexes one step forward. So in this way we have created the ext array. Now after that, since this is sum of subarray means, and we have to return the result which is of int type. So let's say we are going to store our result in this variable int result and initialize it with 0. Okay, now after that we are going to run one more loop for int I is equal to 1, I less than n, I plus plus, and then in current let's create one variable of int type int cur, and in this we are going to store the value of ext of I. Okay, so here in this loop we are running from this int I is equal to 1. So initially when our I is 1, so in current I am going to store the value of ext of 1. What is the value of ext of 1? So ext of 1 value is 3. Okay, ext of 1 value is 3. So in current I am going to store the value as this 3. Okay, in current I am storing the value of ext of 1, and after that I am creating one more index, let's say int l, and in this I am decrementing the value of I by 1. Okay, so here l, I is 1, so l is going to be 0 here. Okay, now after that I am going to run one while loop, while ext of l. Okay, ext of l means this 0. Right now c is 1, which is ext of 1. Now ext of 0 is 0 only. So here while ext of l is greater than equal to current, if it is equal to greater than or equal to current, then in that case I am going to update the value as l is equal to l of left of l. Okay, so here in this case what is the value of our current? 3. And what is the value of l? L is equal to 0. And then here first case. Okay, so here first time our current value is 3 and our l value is 0. And then what is ext of l? Ext of 0. Ext of 0 is nothing but 0. Okay, what 0? Check, we are here checking if 0 is greater than or equal to this current 3. So it is not true. If it is not true, then we are not going to execute this part. Okay, and then after that we are just going to modify, update this L left of I is 1 here, left of 1 as L. Okay, so let's create one left array here as well for better understanding. Left is equal to, and here initially it is 0 0 only. Okay, right now I have updated left of 1 as left, here I is 1 na? So I have updated left of 1 as L. So what is the value of L? So L value is 0 here, right? So left of 1 is 0 only. Okay, left of 1 is 0 only. Alright, now we are sure about this, left of 1 is equal to 0. And then after that I am going to use create one in sums array. I am going to update one by one. So sums of I value I am going to update it as sums of L plus current into the distance where I am going to find the lowest element from the current element index. Okay, I minus L. So I am going to explain it in a few minutes, so just wait. And in the result I am going to update the value of result with sum of I, and also we need to return the result in a modulo. So write here present mode, and in the end we are going to return result. Okay, so here what is happening, okay, so now see in this problem first we are initializing I is as 1 and we are running one loop, and here we are checking the current value. So current value I pass as ext of I, which is 3, and then after that int L, there is one more index in which I am incrementing the value as I minus 1, and after that in while loop I am checking if the ext of L is greater than or equal to current. Okay, so if it is greater than or equal to current, then in that case I am going to update our left, but in the first case it is not true. Okay, in the first case it is not true, as 0 is greater than equal to 3. We checked for the first case now, so it was not true. So we are simply updating the value of left of 1 as 1. And what is the value of sums of I? So sums of I is, here I is 1. Okay, so we are going to create one more array here, sum. Okay, so here initially value is stored like this only. So here sum of I, that is sum of 1. So here we are updating the value of sum of 1. Okay, this value. So sum of 1 is equal to sums of L. Sums of L is 0. L is 0 for the first case, right? Sums of L 0, sums of 0 initially here 0 only. So 0 plus current is 3. 0 plus current is 3. Okay, and I is 1 and L value is 0, right? I is 1 minus L value. So what is the value of sums of I? Sums of I value is nothing but 3. Okay, and here what is the value of result? Result is result plus sums of I. Sums of I, that is 1. So here we got the value of sums of 1. So it is 3 mode, 3% mode. So simply store result as 3. So in the first case both our sum and result are 3. Okay, so here when there is only a single element in our array, then in that case this is only subarray. So if this is the only subarray, then in this case you see both sum and result are 3. Sum and result are 3 in this case. Okay, so this is the first loop whenever I is equal to 1. Okay, so I hope that you guys are clear till now. Now after that we have moved to for int I is equal to 2. So when our I is equal to 2, in that case this current is equal to ext of 2. What is value of ext of 2? Ext of 2 value is 1. Ext of 2 value is 1. Okay, ext of 2 value is 1. And what is the value of L? I is equal to 2. So L value is here is also 1, right? 2 minus 1 is 1. Now here ext of L is 1. Ext of 1, that is this 3. Now we are going to check if 3 is greater than equal to current. Current value is 1 here. Okay, 3 is greater than equal to current. Yes, it is true. 3 is greater than 1. Then we are going to update the value of L as left of L. So L, what is the value of L here? 1. So what is the value of left of 1 here? Left of 1 here is, it is 0. So now I have updated the value of L is equal to 0. Okay, I have updated the value of L is equal to 0. Then again I am going to check in this while loop if ext of L, that is ext of 0 is 0, is greater than equal to current value is 1. No, it is not true. Not true, right? So what was our L value last time? So L is equal to 0. It is updated to 0 in this while loop. So now here I is equal to 2. So I have updated left of 2 as 0 only. So left of 2 is also 0 here. Again left of 2 is 0 here. So no need to update left. So left of 2 is equal to 0. Okay, I hope this is clear. Now sums of here 2. Sums of 2 is equal to sums of L. L means 0 from last time. So 0. This sums of 0 is equal to 0 plus current element is 1, right? And I value is 2 for this loop. And what is L value? 0. So what is the total sum? Sums total is 2, right? And what is our result? Result equals to result from last time, result is 3. From last time our result is 3. So this value is 3 now, plus sums of 2. Sums of 2 we already found that it is 2. So 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. It is 5, right? So now here it is just saying that if there are 2 elements in our array, in that case, previously we see there is only one element 3, then this is only subset. But if there are 2 elements in subset, then what are the 2 subsets? One is 3 1 and one is 1. So here what is the minimum value of this subset? 1. And what is the minimum value of this subset? It is also 1. When I am going to add these 2, then what is my output? 2. When I'm going to add these 2, so what is going to be my output? Sum. That is sum. So here I am storing 2 only na. In sums of 2 I am storing 2 only. And what is going to be my result? So in result I am going to add this previously result 3 plus with this new result, that is this new sums. So when I am going to add this 3 with 2, my output is 5. So if in array there are 2 elements, then I found that the result is going to be 5 of all the subsets. Okay, so what are the subsets here? One subset is this one subset is this one subset is this one. So if there are 2 elements, then total result is going to be 5. Okay, in static int mode is equal to 1e9 plus 7. Here it give it as int. Okay, now let's run it. Ext of I plus 1 as array of I. Ext is running from 0 to n minus 1. Should be n minus 1. Let's run it. So our solution is accepted. Let me submit it. So yeah, our solution beats 100% of users with Java. Let's say this is the array given to us 3 1 2 4. So if there is only one element, then this is the only subset. Okay, in that case both sum is equal to 3 and result is equal to 3, right? Now if 1 is also there, in that case there are 2 subsets. One is 3 1 and one is just 1. So what is the total sum of these two? Is equal to 2,
right? Minimum of this subset 1, minimum of this subset is 1. Okay, and what is the result? Result becomes, we are going to add these two numbers, 3 plus 2 is equal to 5 here. Same way, when there is 2 here, then what are the subsets? 3, 1, 2. One subset is this one subset is 1, 2, one subset is 2. Okay, and anything else? No. So here, what is the sum? 2. Here in this case 1, 1, 2, right? There is one more subset, I think 3, 1, 2, 1, 2 and 2. Okay, so minimum value is here 1, here also it is 1, here it is 2. So what is the sum here? 2, 3, 4. Okay, sum is 4 here, and what is the value of result? 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. Now if we have included this 4 as well, 3, 1, 2, 4, then one subset is 1, 2, 4, one subset is 2, 4, and one subset is 4. So what is the minimum sum? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 8. 8 is subset, then we are going to add 9 plus 8 as 17. Okay, one by one. So here when here you understand now, when I is equal to 3, our current is ext of 3, ext of 3 is 2. Okay, 2, my L is equal to 2. When then I check ext of 2, 0, 1, 2, 1 is greater than equal to current. Current is 2. No, 1 is not greater than equal to current. So we are not going to update anything else. So what was our L? 2 here only. So here I have updated left of 3 as 2. So here in this array you see I have updated 0, 1, 2, 3 index as 2. Then I go here, sums of L as, what was L? 2. So here in this example I say when there are two elements, what was our sum coming? 2 coming. It was coming 2. So I included 2 here. Then current is 2, 2 plus 2 into 3 minus this L is 2. So what does this value becomes? It becomes 4 only. Okay, this is 2 plus this current is 2, I value is 3 minus 2, then it becomes 4 only. Then 4, this is 4, then result from last case is 5. I have added this 5 with this 4, it becomes 9. So same way for I is equal to 4 we are going to do that. Just go to this minimum blog. I am going to share this link in the description of my YouTube channel. So here step by step, or you can also paste this code with uncomment these lines and you will get how this is working. So for this array, first our current is 3, L equal to 0, left of 1 becomes 0. Sums of when L is 0, sums of L matlab means sums of L is 0, I is 1, L is equal to 0, then the response is 3. So first response, sorry, its result. Then first time in the first loop, sum is equal to 3, result is equal to 3. Then after that, result sum is equal to 2, result is equal to 5. Okay, after that our sum becomes 4, result becomes 9. After that, in the end, 9 plus 8 is equal to 17. So here this is what going to happen for this problem, and our left is also going to be updated like that. So in the end, our left is looking like this, 0, 0, 0, 2, 3. Our ext is looking like this, you already know. So here I've also mentioned what is going to be our left in the end and ext how it is looking. So you can go through this blog as well. But this is the most easiest code for this type of problem, just 27 lines of code, and the runtime is also just 4 milliseconds, and it beats around 100% of users with Java. So if you like this video and like this type of small solution, then please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Till then, keep coding and keep practicing. Thank you. Bye bye.